Is this the first major event with respect to NFTs that you're doing? And if yes, I mean, did it live up to the hype?
Actually, that's no. We did our first NFT event. Well, we did an art and technology exhibition. We also did. I presented at 𝗦𝗲𝗻𝗀 the first AI exhibition that Harshit was a part of and was curated by 𝗻𝗻 the collective, and it was in one of India's best known galleries, 𝗦𝗲𝗻. Then I did Harshit's AI solo show in institutional space like Imami, and that was really fantastically received as well. And then we did an art and tech show, but that was primarily NFT based, and NFTs from the global south, not just from Asia, or not just from South Asia, but from across the globe. And that was very successful. Actually, that did not have as much hype, but was a complete, like I said, was totally sold out. And we are not talking about, quantity of works or several editions of works. I mean, these were well-known artists, single editions that were sold to one of India's most well-known institutional buyer. We've also been able to place work with the New Media Museum in Milan, which are all huge things. The fact that MoMA today in New York City was so excited about the show that they came and participated. But not only did they come for the opening talk, they came back twice after and want to do more stuff. And have just announced in the New York Times that they have a separate fund of almost 70 million for just NFTs. Tells you that we've definitely helped aid the hype around NFTs and also help bridge and bring credibility to this space, because oftentimes the conversation is a little bit fractured and split. It is a lot of gaming and special effects, NFTs who support, and a community of them who support each other. And that is really wonderful and exciting to see. But there's also an entire world of art, visual artists who have analog practices, and actually very well-known digital and photography artists who are now starting to look at the NFT world with far more interest. Whereas in the past, it has been with a lot of wariness, So the more you have established well-known names plus emerging artists enter this space, the long-term sustenance of the space will be maintained. I feel like you need people from all sorts of mediums to come into the NFT space and break open the possibilities of the NFT, like we say.
Definitely. And I mean, one of the floods that I can see coming into the NFT space is from artificial intelligence.